and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. And this week we're talking landscapes. Landscapes are really tricky because when we're using photo references, our cameras are really clever these days. And the background looks really sharp, really detailed and full of colour. So you can zoom in, and that's marvellous. But when we try and paint that, our paintings look flat and without depth. So how can we quickly change that? Well, let me show you using an old painting I painted 14 years ago and couldn't figure out what was wrong. Let's see. So this is the painting, and as you can see, the foreground and the background have the same saturation of colour, so it's making it look really flat. This is something we talk about in the Academy quite a lot too, so do remember to subscribe so you get to hear all the new free workshops, etc. So what I've done is I've got some ultramarine blue, some white, and some thinning spirits. I've used Gamsol, and I'm just putting that all over the background, just really roughly, and then using a Monday mop brush to really blend that in so I've got no brush strokes at all. And I have speeded this up a lot to keep it within the 2 minutes of this art hack. And then after I've looked at this lovely mist that's, as you can see, really now pushing back that background, I'm going to take a Q-tip and just take off that blue off the red bush just to make it pop out, and then you can really see that three-dimensional quality coming in. So don't forget to subscribe for free workshops, etc., and I'll see you again next week. Bye.